Ito importante hindi is that we provide a safe environment. We provide a convenient way para pagsunod niya gate, para mas madaling pag-check, para let ka mo, you will feel safe. Okay, in your classrooms and in the school. And that is the only purpose of this backpack. We will provide one for every student in San Jose National High School. They will also be giving free Bibles for every student. Okay? And also to the teachers. Okay, and purpose really is for you not only to have security here, but also security for eternity, for your spirit and for your soul. Kahit labanan niya na, kasing-kasing itapon mga estudyante. This is a battle between different forces for the hearts of our students. And we would like to make sure that your hearts are secure. Okay? It is our responsibility as part of the business community of Tacloban and as member of the community of San Jose, really to help each other. Because it takes a village to raise a child, and we want to be part of that village in raising all of the students of San Jose National High School.
Ano yung mo name?
I'm Chanel Avila po.
Ano nga grade?
Grade 12 po, ABS.
Okay. So paano mo makakabuligin niya mo pag-school? Ito mo bag, may nata Bible.
Bible, tas forever, think of God, nandito lang, tas pag ginawa lang, isip mo natin yung mga good things, dahil ang mga bad things.
Ano yung mo name?
Kaya namin Esteban.
Ano nga grade?